More and more people test positive for the virus. Local health experts are asking all of us to make some changes.
And that includes actually having people do their own contact tracing if that's possible to test positive for the virus. Fox 12's Drew Marine explains why health experts say that's a great way to prevent the spread.
The Washington County Public Health Officer tells me that they're so busy right now, there may be a delay in letting you and your close contacts know you tested positive for COVID-19. So instead of waiting for a call from the county, they say it might be quicker if you let your close contacts know that you tested positive yourself. For almost a week now, Oregon has seen a lot of daily record-breaking COVID-19 case counts. And Washington County Public Health Officer Dr. Christina Bauman says it's beginning to put a strain on contact tracing.
With all the rise in cases, we are trying to keep up with getting in touch with everyone that's been diagnosed with COVID. We are reassigning people to be able to do that. And in doing that, we may not be able to call all of their contacts, or we might be delayed in doing that.
So, Tri-County public health officials are recommending DIY contact tracing.
As soon as you learn of your positive test, start calling your contacts. You will be able to do it much more quickly.
They released an After You Get Tested guide online people can reference.
So it covers what to do after you get tested, which is start isolating right away until you know your test results. When you get your test results, it tells you how long you should stay in isolation.
In case people need answers to questions like who you should let know you tested positive.
I'd suggest that you focus on people that you were within 6 feet of for 15 minutes or more. The basic rule is that if you have symptoms of COVID, go back to the day that you first had symptoms and count 2 days back. So start 2 days before you started to feel sick, and then cover up to the time that you started to isolate. All of those people.
And yes, that includes telling your employer.
Some people may have been working during the time that they were contagious, and so we're also asking, in addition to your close contacts, tell your employer about your positive test so that they can start notifying people at work and taking the additional precautions.
We'll have a link to the After You Get Tested guide on our website, kptv.com. Reporting in Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.